Hey my beauties, how you doing? Long time no see. I have not been on in a few weeks, and that is because I have not been feeling well at all. I was very, very sick. I'm not sure if it was COVID, but I was so sick I couldn't move, and I had this really bad cough. I'm going to play the cough for you right here. Finally, after a little while, I messaged my doctor because I didn't think, my cough didn't come up all the time, so to me that wasn't the problem. It's just every now and then it would come up, and that's what it would sound like. So I messaged my doctor, and she gave me a Z-Pack, which is amoxicillin, and she gave me these steroid something for my throat. Well, that lifted me up a little bit, bounced me on my feet, but I'm still out of it. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I thought I was having a relapse of my condition, but luckily I haven't. Just been like very, 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 very fluish. Can't get out of bed, can't get out of the house. So anyway, I'm starting to come alive, and here I am with you. I'm starting to come alive, and I have so much stuff to show you. So much. Okay. First of all, I showed you these products by Milk, the watermelon serum and the hydrating oil. I use these every day, and when I'm tired and lazy and I can't even move, I open this up and I put this all over my face, and there you go, and I just go like this on my face, and then I take the oil and I do the same thing with the oil. At least you have something protective on your face that is going to prevent your face from drying out. I have on niacinamide, MATRIXYL, sunscreen, and let me tell you what I have on this foundation. I finally got this. I was so excited. It was sold out everywhere, and it is supposed to be a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's filter. This is called E.L.F. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Oh my goodness. When I tell you, you can put this under your makeup, instead of makeup, or on top of your makeup. And I have it as foundation. I don't have it under or over. I have, this is it. This is all I am using on my face, this Halo Glow Liquid Filter. And I didn't see a need to put foundation over it. So I started with one coat of this, and then I said, that's good enough. And I just did my blush and a little bronzer. And let me show you. It's got a very fat doe foot. And now you would think that is not my color. This is medium, okay? It's kind of peachy when it goes on, but believe me, this is perfect. Now, when this gets blended in, it matches your skin. Now, this medium is a regular medium. There it is. Girls, it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. You have to get your hands on this. It was, I think, $14. It is so much product. It's got over an ounce, 1.06 fluid ounces. I love the applicator. I put like 3 over here, 3 over there, and 3 up there, and that's it. And then I blend it in with my brush or sponge. Run to get this. I will put a link down below to a few websites to make sure that it's not out of stock. This has been out of stock. It's gone viral on YouTube, on TikTok, because it's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury filter foundation. No, it's not even a foundation. Let me see. Hollywood Flawless Filter. That's what it's called. And everybody is saying that they like the E.L.F. better. And I don't have the Charlotte Flawless Filter, but my search is ended because this is amazing. Amazing. I am very happy with the coverage, the blurring, the filter. You see, it just kind of disappears. It's amazing. Trust me. Trust me, this is amazing. I couldn't find my LEIGHTON DENNY crystal nail file, but I just found it when I sat here. I haven't been up here to film because I haven't been feeling well. So now I just found it behind the cushion. So I had to order another one the other day because I needed to file my nails down because my nails are growing like weeds with that nail tip that I gave you about the America's Classics. I'll put a link to that video down below. That stuff is amazing. Artificial nails, the Jealous and the Super Gloss. Perfect. And the nail dehydrator. Here's the box. I got the lavender. Here's the crystal file. And you just put it in here. And then you have a cover. It comes in all different colors. It's just a couple of dollars. And sometimes I like to put it in backwards, so I don't even have to take it out. I could just, like that. This is much, much cheaper than the LEIGHTON DENNY. LEIGHTON DENNY, however, is very thick, very strong. I've had this for about over 10 years, and way over 10 years. And this is adorable. Oh, the reason why you should get this is because you can file back and forth, and it seals the tips of your nails. Now you take a nail file like this, and it just rips your nails. It rips your nails. This does not rip your nails. This smooths and seals your nails. Also, I got this. I bought 3 of these because they were like on sale for $3. I'll put the link. I didn't put this on yet, but I'm going to right now. It's coconutty and coconut and argan oil. This coconut infused mist hydrates and boosts glow. It does. It does. I really don't need it when I'm using this, but yeah, let me dry off. But if you put too much powder on and you want a dewy look and inexpensive, this is great. E.L.F. Plus Glow Dewy Mist. Today I'm wearing Melt Your Popsicle. It is a very neon orange. This is very cute. I'm going to start with my fall colors soon, but for now I'm using that. I was watching Painted by Spencer, and he verified what I have been telling you, that I powder my brows before I put any product on it, because otherwise it's too slippery, it's too moisturized, and nothing sticks. So I'm watching Painted by Spencer. He's a great makeup artist, and he said the same thing. I went, woohoo! I like it when it's verified. And you know who else said it too? Lisa Eldridge. She commented the same remark that I said. And I was so glad to hear it by these professional makeup artists.
Face. And I'm being sure not to forget the brows here. I usually do this anyways, just not this heavy, but there's a lot going on with the concealer and everything, so I need to make sure the brows are totally set and matte. Even if you're not concealing your brows like I am here today, if you're one to do your brows after your foundation, setting your brows will help in how your brow products perform. If the skin under your brow hairs is slippery from your skincare and foundation, the brow products you use, especially if it's a pencil, is just going to slip and slide on that surface rather than grip onto it and dispense pigment. I definitely recommend setting your brows after foundation.
The reason I do it is because I put so much moisture and hydration on my face that when it comes to do my eyebrows, nothing will stick unless I wipe it, pat it, and powder it. And I'm calling that baking your brows. I don't bake underneath, but I do bake my brows. I just leave the powder there until later, and then later on I bake them, I keep it on, and then I just swish them away with the soft brush. So basically, I bake my brows. I'm going to show you these glasses that I got. These are so beautiful. And really, I told you that I really am a black sunglass person for years. It's just recently that I've changed and branched out. This is by Wear Me Pro Eyewear. Look at that. And they have blue, the blue temples to match the front. And there's their logo. And gosh, I love these. I think they are so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to end it here. I've got so many more things to show you. Subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, I am here for you, and thank you for being here for me. Mwah!